Alright, welcome back to the channel, guys. Today, BRZ is getting picked up. We gotta move these cars around, so let's get one last cold start on this before she goes away. Alright, so we finished the swap-a-roo. BRZ's outside waiting for the trucker. 22 is in the garage again. So any minute they should be coming down this road over here. They said it's coming in a big truck, so I think he has like 3 or 4 cars on it. Guy was supposed to be here yesterday, but I guess there was some delay at some other shop and he couldn't unload, so he couldn't pick this one up. So he should be here any minute. We'll get back to you when he's here. Here we go, just showed up. Alright, so we got the car loaded up. We got it re-centered and everything. He's getting her strapped down. She's going to be going on her trip up to Maryland for the new owner. But still got this thing right here, the 22 Rex. Like, comment, and subscribe for more 22 WRX content. We got a lot coming. We're going to be working with some companies like IAG, ETS. We're definitely going to be getting an access port. The AOS is coming out soon with IAG, so we're definitely going to be looking at that right when it comes out. It is a reliability mod. It definitely helps just the engine run better, but we'll get into that in a different video. But here we go. Let's get it.